Hey guys, welcome back to Asvi Creator. This is Ashwati. So today's video is Onam special video number 5, which is the very last video of Onam special video series. I really hope you guys have watched and liked previous videos of Onam special video series. If you guys haven't checked it out, please do check it out. I'll be leaving the link in card. Okay, so today's video is very simple and easy makeup look using very affordable products. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, I'll be tying my hair up in a bun so that my hair is not gonna disturb me while doing makeup. Very simple. Then starting with makeup, I'll be using Blue Heaven primer. This is a very good primer, very affordable primer. It does its job very well. It smoothens our skin very well and holds our makeup pretty good. So I'll be applying all over my face, especially to my T-zone where I sweat more. And after that, for foundation, I'll be using this Nykaa SKINgenius foundation in shade Warm Sand. I'll be taking quite a lot of foundation. I shouldn't have taken this much, but then it's okay. I'll be dotting it all over my face and then blending it with PAC. This is large flat top Kabuki brush. So to be honest guys, this is the very first time I'm using this brush. Actually speaking, this is the very first time I'm using this kind of flat Kabuki brush. So it was little hard for me to blend. I'm very comfortable with makeup sponges. I have been using makeup sponges for a very long time. I've never used this brush at all. So it was quite hard for me to blend. It took me exactly 10 minutes to blend this foundation. It's not a problem of brush or not the problem of foundation. It's problem of me not very much experience with it, I guess so. But then I somehow managed to blend it. And then I'll be using this NYB concealer, and this is a very affordable concealer. It is just for 99 rupees, and for the price we pay, I think it's very good. Now I'll be applying it to my pimple marks, and I'll be blending it very well. It blends very well with the help of fingers itself. And then I'll be applying the same concealer over to my eyelids because there's a bit of darkness, and also I want my eyeshadow to pop. For that, I'll be applying the same concealer to my eyelids as well. And again, I'll be blending with fingers, and I'll be applying the same concealer, same shade of concealer to my eyes, and again blend it using fingers. As you guys can see, with fingers itself it blends quite easily. It's good. And one more thing, foundation looks quite lighter to my skin tone right now, but then after a while it's gonna set and be of my own skin tone. So that's the main reason I like this Nykaa SKINgenius foundation. It kind of adapts to our skin tone, which is good. And then I'll be taking NYB contouring stick, which is again it's just for 99 rupees. And the very good part is that we get contouring stick for dusky deeper skin tone, which is very rare for any affordable drugstore brand. Yeah, that's very good. I like the fact that it has got good darker shades. Now I'll be contouring my nose and forehead, so that's the only area I contour. Now I'll be setting my base makeup with this compact powder. It is Miss Claire press powder in number 10. So I'll be cleaning my brush, the same brush, using a tissue paper, and then with the same brush I'll be picking up the product and setting my base makeup. I am just dabbing this product, not dragging it, so that my foundation and concealer doesn't move at all. And then for eyebrows, I'll be using this Miss Claire eyebrow pencil, and it is in the shade dark brown. It is very affordable, and it works very well as eyebrow pencil. Now I'll be filling in eyebrows in the direction where how my hair grows. And after that, it has got a brush with this cap. With the same brush, I'll be brushing in very well so that it gives a more natural look. With that, our eyebrows is done. And now for Kajal, I'll be using this Quirky Kajal. It's a very nice creamy black Kajal. It is not the darkest and deepest black, but then it is okayish black, and it's very creamy. So I think it's best for smoky eye looks and all. So here I have just like going through my eye waterline and also just below my lash line as well. Very bold, thick kajal look. And then on my eyelids I'll be drawing a very thin line with a small wing. And then I'll be smudging it using a earbud or Q-tip. And then I'll be just smudging it very well. It's just a very simple basic kajal look, that's it. If you want, you can definitely go ahead and use liquid liner and give a bold thick liner as well. And then I'll be extending my wing using same Q-tip, and then whatever extra wing is there, I'll be just rubbing it off. And then for eyeshadow, I'll be using this Revlon ColorStay eyeshadow in shade golden, and then I'll be dabbing the product to my eyelids. So using fingers gives nice intensity for the color, so that's the reason I've used fingers itself, and that's much more easier as well. Then I'll be blending the crease with a clean finger so that it's not harsh. So once it is done, I'll be curling my eyelashes. And then for mascara, I'm using Elenblu mascara. I do not remember the price of it because I've got this in some of my Glamigo box. It's a good mascara, guys. It's really nice. It gives nice curling to our eyelashes. And then as a lip liner, I'll be using this lip crayon, NYB lip crayon. It's a nice pinkish reddish shade, and then I'll be applying it all over my lips. Before that, I have taken off extra lip balm, whatever is there, and then on top of it, I'll be using this Quirky liquid lipstick in shade brown. I have already reviewed both of these products in my previous vlog, so if you guys haven't checked it out, please do check it out. This is my so far best nude shade. I absolutely love this lipstick, guys. It's really good, too good for the price. I absolutely love it. And then our look is ready now. I put this bindi, and then it's done. Now for hairstyle, you can go with any hairstyle you love. I've already done hairstyle with jasmine flower, which is going to suit sari, salwars, lehengas for almost all attires, all outfits. So if you haven't checked it out, please do check it out. So that's the reason I didn't go for any hairstyle, jasmine flower hairstyle today. And then that's done. I really hope you guys have liked this video, like this makeup look. If so, please do give this video a big thumbs up, as well as subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. See you very soon in very next video. Till then, it's bye bye, take care, love you all. By the way, guys, happy Onam to all of you. Enjoy.